peace and love, family. I give you utmost love, honor, loyalty, respect, and gratitude to my son, Mictecacihuatl, my spiritual guide, your spiritual guide. I give honor to all the devotees. That's it. Now, the question is, when do I call upon caution? So we out here in nature getting this nature energy, the natural energy, the earth, water, sun, the moon, all the elements. And constantly, I call upon her, especially when I'm dealing with other hierarchies. And by that I mean, one example comes to mind, like the pagan pantheons, the Ephah pantheon, the Voodoo pantheon, and the list goes on. But it's whenever I'm dealing with hierarchy that have power. So I could be dealing with a practitioner that's connected to another system of administration, that's connected to an HER, whatever the case may be. That is when I go to and we go into the mystery of Mictecacihuatl. So when we're talking about Santa Muerte, once we get through the mysteries, as I'll share in another video, Santa Muerte, as we practice her in everyday life, she is not on the spirit plane or the plane of soul, because between here and the plane of soul, she transforms. Her true form on the plane of soul is here. And this also goes to the thing of Santa Muerte being a Catholic saint. It is not disputed, even by devotees who are traditional Catholic devotees. Nobody disputes the fact that the Catholic Church don't accept Santa Muerte. So for the beings that are in communication with the Catholic Church and that empower the Catholic Church from the spirit plane, Santa Muerte don't have a seat at their table. And that's fine, because Santa Muerte, her true form in modern times, right? So it's best to think of the cosmos in the context of when we're dealing with other hierarchies. So, like, for example, a quick example, with my ex-wife, we had a situation with the Nigerians. They were fake, but they were still pushing E5. So we got into it with them behind some business stuff. And let's just say, we took a meeting to the crossroads. And what happened at the crossroads, we met up with the and let's just say, their life took a turn for the left. But my step babies learned a few things that night, because it went up, how we say it back in the day. It went up. It went up. We went to war with them behind the business situation. But it was her that I called upon. And a combination of Santa Muerte's purple role, but that's a different subject. But ultimately, this is who we called upon. And we went to the crossroads and we spoke with Ilegua. So this is when I use Santa Muerte, her more indigenous form. It's when you're dealing with things on a spirit plane. Or if I'm doing work for somebody, I'm helping somebody, and come to find out that the person that we are concerned with is connected to something, or got something on them that requires us to look into the spirit realm. If it goes beyond the purple robe,